Hello students, welcome to our English lesson. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So let's start our lesson. Today's theme, our lesson, Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. In today's lesson, we will learn new vocabulary related to the topic, and we will revise so and such. We will listen and read for specific information. And first, students, let's get acquainted with the new vocabulary and let's what these new words mean. I'll read and you listen and repeat. Curse, magic words that are intended to bring bad luck to someone. Empire, a group of countries ruled by a single person, government, or a country. Kingdom, a country, state, or territory ruled by a king or queen. And nanny, a person whose job is to take care of a particular family's children. Delicate, needing careful treatment, especially because easily damaged. Faithful, firm, and not changing in your friendship with or support for a person or an organization or in your belief in your principles. Poisonous, very harmful and able to cause illness or disease. Patterned, with a design made from repeated lines, shapes, or colors on the surface. To beg, to make a very strong and an urgent request. To refuse, to say that you'll not do or accept something. To pack, to put something into a bag or box. And next, students, label the pictures. River, rock, mausoleum, building, kingdom. Number 1. What can you see? Kingdom. And number 2. What is it? Mausoleum. And number 3. Building. And number 4. River. And number 5. Rock. Well done. Now, students, look at the screen and read the title of the text.
The Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. Southern Kazakhstan. Called the Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. Origins daughter.
Okay, now students, I would like to check how well you have understood the text. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is true about the Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi? A. Many of its pattern tiles are lost. B. It is in Samarkand. C. No one knows its true origins. I'll give you a few times. Okay. The right answer, C. No one knows its true origins. And second, why did Kakimata refuse when Karahan asked if he could marry Aisha Bibi? A. Karahan's kingdom was too small. B. Aisha Bibi didn't want to marry Karahan. And C. Karahan lived too far away. The right answer is A. Karahan's kingdom was too small. And much to form phrase, then use the phrases to complete the sentence. For example, secret promise, wise hand, poisonous snake, tragic story. I'll give you a few times. Okay, let's check. First, she made a secret promise to him to wait for him forever. And second, it was a tragic story of this betrayal and lost love. And three, she was bitten by a poisonous snake and nearly died. And fourth, he was a very wise hand and ruled over his people with kindness and justice. Well done! Let's continue practicing. Do you remember the difference between so and such? Here you should join the sentences, use the structures below, and look at the structures. I'll give you some time for doing this task. Okay, now let's check. First, Aisha Bibi was worried about Karahan. She decided to go and find him. Aisha Bibi was so worried about Karahan that she decided to go and find him. Second, it was hot weather. She stopped to bathe. It was such hot weather that she stopped the bath. Third, the snake moved fast. She couldn't avoid it. The snake moved so fast she couldn't avoid it. Fourth, it was a very poisonous snake. She died of the bite. It was a very such poisonous snake. She died of the bite. Okay, well done. Complete the sentences. Use refuse, buried, ordered, crossed. First, the Khan ordered his men to build a mausoleum. Second, Khan buried Aisha Bibi in a beautiful tomb. They crossed the river in order to get to the other side. course. Her father refused when Kerhan asked to marry Aisha Bibi. Now, check your progress. Try to say or write what you can do. Use the following the phrases. For example, I can read for specific information. I know how to draw and present the story. I understand how to express opinion. That's all for today. See you next lesson. I hope you have understood well our material we have learned.